Hey everyone, it is Katie. I am out in the field today with our all-star crew of Tyreek, Ray, and Rod, where we are going to be doing a big pruning cleanup job for a client as well as a spring mulch installation. I want to show you guys what this process looks like. It's something that we're really proud to be able to offer to our clients because sometimes you just want your yard to look good. You want to come home after work and all of a sudden it's like a whole new flower bed has sprung up and you don't have to spend the whole weekend worrying about it. If you have questions, any feedback, comment below. What's your favorite color of mulch? What are you using at your house? We offer red, black, and brown. Brown's my favorite, black is Brandon's favorite, so we want to know what your opinion is. I'm gonna see what they're doing right now, so take a look and we will get started. So the first step when we do a mulch installation is bed prep. What we're doing here is clearing out any existing weeds and debris, as well as putting a well-defined deep edge on all of the beds so that the mulch can fall in and kind of make a nice little line that isn't too artificial looking the way that a trench sometimes can be, but is still distinct and obviously picture perfect. Once the beds are prepped and clean of any weeds, debris, leaves, sticks, that sort of thing, the fun part begins where we get to actually put the mulch into the beds. We use a double shredded hardwood mulch that is dyed a rich color, whether you prefer brown, black, or red. For this property, we're putting down brown mulch, so I'm going to show you guys what our guys are doing when they're putting that mulch down, and if you have questions about their technique, let me know. I think it's pretty cool how it works. They've got a really great system. We put it down about 2 inches thick, but we can go thinner, we can go thicker depending on the preference of the client. Mulch is one of those things that's good to do for your landscaping about once a year. Most people prefer to do this in the spring because when you're putting mulch down, the big purpose of it, outside of looking good, is to insulate the roots of your landscaping. So all those bushes and trees and flowers, they get stressed out by the summer heat the same way that fescue does. That mulch creates an insulation that holds in moisture and shields them and shades the roots from the sunlight. use hard rakes and soft rakes to pack it down. This reduces the amount of lumps and bumps that it might have from when it's being spread by hand and creates kind of a nice smooth layover that looks really good after it's done. Hey, so I ended up having to run to an appointment before our guys were able to get finished with this mulch job that I've been showing you. So it's been a couple of days, which is better because then you can kind of see how the mulch looks once it's settled. They always pack it in after they apply it to make sure that it's nice and smooth, but it makes a big difference if it's had a couple of days just to level out and dry and look like what it's going to look like. So let me show you and you can take a look yourself. So what do you guys think? Big difference, right? Mulch is one of those things that makes a big difference, but it is a little bit of a cost up front. So if you're interested, be sure to let us know. And if you have questions about our procedure for it, let me know as well. We really appreciate you taking a look at our mulch service, and I hope you have a picture perfect day.